Today we are discussing the People's Climate Vote 2024 results. The People's Climate Vote 2024, the world's largest public opinion survey on climate change, reveals an undeniable truth. Global citizens are more concerned than ever and are demanding urgent action from governments, businesses, and international leaders. Conducted across 77 countries, covering 87% of world's population, this survey by UNDP and the University of Oxford sheds light on key climate priorities. So now we are discussing key takeaway from this report. Number one is people are more worried than ever. 53% globally say they are more worried about climate change than last year. This concern is even higher in least developed countries, where 59% people feel increased anxiety. Number two key takeaway is extreme weather is worsening. 43% of people report that extreme weather events have been worse than usual. From record-breaking wildfire to devastating cyclone, no area is spared. Third key takeaway is climate change is shaping life choices. 69% of people say it is affecting where they live, work, and what they buy. This figure rises to 80% in small island developing states, which face existential threats. Then next key takeaway is governments are expected to lead. 80% of people worldwide want their countries to strengthen climate commitments under the Paris Agreement. Even among those who believe their country is doing well on climate, 82% still want stronger commitments. The energy transition must accelerate. Next key takeaway is the energy transition must accelerate. 72% want a rapid shift from fossil fuel to renewables. Even in major oil, gas, or coal producing nations, public support for clean energy is growing. Education is key. 80% of people believe climate change should be taught more in schools, especially in vulnerable regions where awareness can drive resilience. The call for global collaborations. 86% believe countries should work together on climate action, even if they disagree on trade or security. 79% say wealthier nations should provide more support to poorer countries to address climate change impacts. The public mandate is clear. Climate action must be faster, bolder, and more collaborative.